Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Do you know we are different in color, different in language, different in culture, but united in one Shahada. It is called Ummah. One faith, one family. Ummah is not just a community, it is a family of believers. And one cries, another makes dua. Inna dini ummatukum ummatan wahida wa ana rabbukum fa'budu. Surah Al-Anbiya, it means, indeed, this ummah of yours is one ummah, and I am your Lord, so worship me. We may live in different countries, but our heart beats on one faith, one Quran, one Qibla, one ummah. No matter where we live, we belong to each other. Is the ummah stand united, no storm can break us. Allow our kulubana asli thata bayruna. Ya Allah, unite our hearts and fix our relationship. Ameen. It is our strength. Pray for the ummah. Ameen. Jazakallahu khair.